Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So, picture this: rural America, and the hospitals there are struggling, some are even closing their doors. It's a real crisis, and honestly, it's something that affects so many of us, whether directly or indirectly. Now, the big news is that some pretty high-profile figures, like Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. and CMS Administrator Dr. Mehmet Oz, are pushing a pretty bold idea to fix this. They're looking at artificial intelligence, specifically AI nurses and avatars, as the potential savior for these dying rural hospitals. Personally, I think it's fascinating that AI is being presented as the silver bullet here. The idea is that AI nurses could perform tasks like ultrasounds, and these AI avatars could somehow bridge the gap in healthcare access. It sounds almost like science fiction, right? And the administration is even backing this up with a massive $50 billion investment over 5 years. That's a huge amount of money, and it's clear they're serious about trying something different. Some states are even talking about using this funding for things like drone deliveries for prescriptions and lab samples, which is pretty wild to think about. But here's where it gets really interesting and frankly a bit concerning from my perspective. While the top health officials are touting AI as the solution, many experts from these rural areas are saying, hold on a minute, it's not that simple. What makes this really stand out is the disconnect between the top-down vision and the on-the-ground reality. These are people who live and work in these communities, and they're the ones saying that AI, while potentially helpful, isn't the magic wand we might think it is. They're raising questions about the practicalities, the human element, and whether this tech can truly replace the nuanced care and community connection that a human healthcare provider offers. What many people don't realize is that rural healthcare isn't just about the technology. It's deeply intertwined with economics, infrastructure, and the very fabric of those communities. Simply dropping in AI nurses might address some immediate needs, but it doesn't solve the underlying issues of physician shortages, patient trust, or the economic viability of these facilities. In my opinion, this push for AI, while innovative, risks overlooking the human factor that is so crucial in healthcare. It raises a deeper question. Can technology truly replicate empathy and build trust in the way a human can? This is a conversation we absolutely need to be having as these plans unfold. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments below.